3 of WTM London. I'm here with Maddie Barber, who's the editor of our official event daily magazine for WTM London. And like every year, the show is full of some fantastic stands. Maddie, what do you think are your favourite stands that you've seen this year?
I love the Merlin Entertainment has the Queen. We're going to have tea with the Queen. Yeah, it's going to be really fun. Also, one of their stand, they have the designer stand in Nashville. It's very colourful, it's great fun.
There are so many highlights from this year's WTM London. For me, one of the standout moments was enjoying the Italy party on Monday evening. They actually managed to get Black Box there, the Italian house pioneers from the 80s. I met a giant cuddly bear whose name escapes me on the Taiwan stand as well today. He was a lovely chap. Actually, from our point of view, I really enjoyed chairing this morning's session on careers in travel with 4 of our former TTG 30 under 30 members over on the global stage.
My favourite part of WTM this week would have to be visiting the Kissimmee stand and meeting West Ham players from the first team. Great chance to have a chat with them and really understand what their partnership is with Kissimmee going forward.
My top 3 highlights this year at WTM are obviously all food related. I really enjoyed the cooking demonstration on the Barbados stand, the Pisco Sour Hour at Peru, and I also really liked the ice lollies that Las Vegas was giving out.
Mikey Hurlip for WTM London has been just coming and soaking everything up. It's always such an exciting and buzzy place to be. You walk around, you run into people constantly, and just wandering around and having a look at all of the amazing stands is always incredible to see.
What a shame WTM is only 3 days a year.